This is a video about yeast. It will show you how yeast can gain its energy or get food. Yeast is not a plant, nor is it an animal. Yeast is a fungus. Yeast is a good organism for us to start to use as we look at nutrients and metabolism because yeast is a single cell. All living organisms are made of cells. Cells are the basic units of life. Yeast is a single cell fungus. Wheat plants are organisms made of millions of cells. Humans, like you, are organisms made of trillions of cells. Yeast organisms are single individual cells. Each yeast cell is an organism. Yeast cells don't have mouths. This will be an interesting observation as we see how yeast cells get their food and energy. Take a look and see what happens when this investigation adds water and other things to yeast. Watch what happens when we add water to yeast and look at it under a microscope. At 40 times magnification, you can see some of the yeast cells. At 100 times magnification, you can see them in an even more detailed way. At 400 times of magnification, notice how some of the yeast cells are very close together and some of them are on their own. At 1,000 times magnification, if you look very closely, you can see the yeast cells moving just a little bit. An even closer look shows us how they really are moving way more than we can see with the naked eye.